Welcome to another edition of Virtual Storefronts Hidden Features. Today we're going to start with my feed folder here. You see I have saved and Andrews NC 10, and that 10 means 10 miles from the center of town. It shows everything in the feed when I click on the tab. And so this is all the storefronts announcements that are put out there, announcements, and it goes out. It goes into this nationwide live feed as well as the Andrews feed if you're within 10 miles from the circumference. But if I wanted to add a business feed, you got to understand each business has its own feed. So Cups and Cones has its feed. So you click on the tab, there's the Cups and Cones feed. And down here in the lower right is Follow Us. I can follow them. And by doing that, it's going to create a new folder. Okay, it says saved. Now it created my folder or my feed up there, and my feed is going to be when I click on that tab, that new tab created, and then I pull down on it, it's going to refresh and show you Cups and Cones feed is going to be identical with their feed. But if I go through and find more stores, so I go explore, and you can see here's the thumbs up for Andrewstown live feed. You can quickly see which towns I'm following. And I only have one tab in this example. Just click up here and it's going to show you businesses or storefronts based on your location. So if I was looking for, I believe, local honey and I hit return, it's going to show me the stores that have local honey closest to me. But I can follow Dean just the same way. I click on them once and you can just move on and it'll show up when it finishes that transaction or that instruction that you gave it. And now all you can see, I got 2 thumbs up right there. I'm following Dean's and Cups and Cones, and I can follow any of the other businesses that have local honey. I could look for a restaurant like an Italian, right? Italian space, and you see down here you got Italian restaurant shows up as a keyword. I click on that, and now it's displaying all the Italian restaurants or restaurants with Italian flair. I go to Mariolino's and Andrews all the time, and so I want to follow them. Like I said, you don't have to wait, and when it does go through, it'll show up the red thumb, which you saw right there. So that's how you follow a feed. And when I go back to my feed and I click on my folder and I pull down the refresh, it's going to repopulate with the latest stuff in there.